to do it. I
Yeah.
was very stuck up. I was very stubborn.
Since that
मेरा
you're
यही plan.
there, you might as well explore.
And
You need to find a good hotel. I think that's what we both agree on.
Yeah.
Like we like to live at really nice places when we go to any place. Like we choose a nice hotel or a nice room. I think that's what we are really particular
Yeah.
about, because that just adds to the vibe of
As-
you being in a new place. Then I think exploring comes second. A place
she explores, I follow.
yes, and you must explore. Like even though I've been to Jaipur like 1,000 times, this time when we went, I still took them to the forts. Remember
Yeah,
when
the
we went
forts.
to the forts and everything?
You need to follow.
It's fun.
No, but
And-
I'm so glad she makes you see the world.
Yeah, but honestly, my kind of person, I'm relaxed. If I'm going for a holiday, that means a holiday. You don't have to
Yeah.
run around.
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
just that you enjoy that place because the place itself is so beautiful that you love the place. So for me, you don't have to go out to
For
enjoy.
him, it's like you book a really nice hotel,
Yeah.
you book a really nice room, you book like a spa treatment, maybe
Go to the
thrice,
gym.
and it will be perfect. Go to the gym, eat at all the specialty restaurants every single day, and
Eat
try all
healthy.
of them. Have
Sometimes
every single meal. Make the other person fat because he can work out and society can promote. Dress
But
up
I
well, dress up
well.
well, and that's what he does.
So
Yeah.
that's my thing. I like to relax. I don't want to rush कि यहाँ पे भी जाना है, शहर का वो कोना भी देखना है. अरे नहीं
So
देखना
I
मुझे.
did that also once, that I did not do anything. We went for this holiday and we were only stuck to our hotel because
I was very happy.
he took that promise from me that we're not going to do anything. We're just going to be at the hotel. And this was again.
So this is so nice. And that is the beauty of being, together. So sometimes doing his thing and sometimes,
So the couple goals is you need to kind of
I think
follow
do,
each other
Yeah.
in a way that
Do
we-
what both of you
you're-
like,
yeah. So yes, so you need to follow each other by the end. If both of as in the couple should follow each other and do the exact thing that the other
Got
person
it. We got
just
it.
trying to express on it.